guys, I ordered a packet of vintage music from Lena at AmourFabrics, and this is my package that came in, so I thought I would do a quick video and show you. She may still have some. These were like 10 bucks, and she has a bunch of stuff in her Etsy shop. I wanted to show you what came in my package, and she also sent me a little beautiful fabric. It's very beautiful. And so this is the music that I got. So let me show you. I was really excited because I wanted Frosty, and I didn't see it at first, and I'm like, oh no, I can't get Frosty. But I love old music, and I love to use it in my junk journals too. So here is Frosty the Snowman. Oh, this one's cool. Copyright 1950. Look, I might have to go play it. Copyright 1950. Frosty the Snowman. Oh, I love it. Thumpity thump thump. And then here's some more of the music that came with it. Look, all kinds of sizes. Really, really fun. Glowworm. Oh, and so Glowworm, speaking of, is the song that Lucille Ball played on I Love Lucy on her saxophone. So just a little trivia there. So this is all the music, and it's a really full package of beautiful old vintage music. Not too old, that's 1976, but depends on what we consider old, right? Anyways, so some really fun music here. Do you all like to use music with your junk journals? I'm just curious. Anyway, this is what was in the package. I'm super excited. Thank you, Lena, for this packet and the ability to get it, and some really old, beautiful music to use in my junk journal. So thanks so much, and thanks for watching, and have a blessed day. Thanks. Bye-bye.